Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to unravel some essential insights on evaluating your facility manager's performance, even if you're new to facilities management. We'll delve into the key leadership qualities to look for, the role of key performance indicators, or KPIs, and how a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can help monitor them effectively. Stay tuned, as we also reveal a helpful third-party evaluation tool. So let's dive in. Are you a business owner or executive with little or no facilities management experience? Are you wondering how you can evaluate your facility manager? It's crucial to know if you've hired a responsible, competent, and honest person for the role. First up, strong leadership skills. This is probably the easiest area for you to measure. A top-notch facility manager needs to have the same leadership skills that any other executive must possess. This includes the ability to listen and communicate well, challenge the status quo, foster continuous improvement, and create strategic value that supports the overall business. Next, let's talk about excellent key performance indicators, or KPIs, results. This is where the rubber meets the road. Evaluate your facility manager in terms of established KPIs, which can be set, tracked, and reported through a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. You should select the KPIs that are priorities for your organization, and make sure your facility manager understands the goals that must be met within a certain period of time. Here's an excellent starting list of KPIs. First, check your team's performance against service level agreements, or SLAs. Second, see if preventive maintenance tasks are completed on time and reduce breakdowns. Third, compare estimated completion times against actual completion times for work orders. Fourth, evaluate the balance of workload across technicians. Fifth, measure resolution times, especially in cases of safety issues and critical equipment downtime. Lastly, analyze work order requests and identify root causes for repeated problems. Every now and then, it may be helpful to bring in a third party to evaluate your facilities team. The Association of Physical Plant Administrators, or APPA's Facilities Management Evaluation Program, or FMEP, offers companies a customized evaluation by an expert panel of peers using industry criteria. This evaluation includes a self-evaluation based on APPA criteria, an on-site evaluation, an oral report, and a comprehensive written report. The organization handpicks peers familiar with the industry, education level, and physical characteristics of your facility. Although this program evaluates facilities management as a whole, it should give you some measure of how your facility manager is performing based on third-party criteria and expectations. Thank you for watching. We've covered essential aspects of evaluating your facility manager's performance, from leadership qualities, KPIs, to the use of a CMMS and third-party evaluations. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more insights from UpKeep.